Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use Printify personalization option. So you can set up automated personalization for a hands-off experience or manual personalization for case-by-case request. So how you can enable this? Okay, so we will go to our product. So on the left side, click My Products. And let's go here to this sweatshirt. Click on it. And now let's scroll down a little bit and you will see here personalization new. So with that, we will let buyers add custom requests for text, design, and more on average. And they will need to pay 20% extra for this personalization. So with just one click, enable personalization, we add this option. Now, I think the best way that you tell your buyer where he can or she can add her own unique text, you can prepare your product for that. Now, let's say I want to add, let's go back, and right here I can type in here your name here, and this will be our, so I will just delete everything that, and let's go your name here, and now the customer will know where he can put the name which he or she like. So this is one way of personalization here in Printify. So you can enable it and you can also prepare your products for them that they can edit further with some text. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.